Cool, energetic, and safety-oriented? That's KULR, all right. The company that specializes in energy storage safety systems and thermal management solutions, primarily serving aerospace, defense, and energy sectors. Initially focused on space and Department of Defense applications, KULR has expanded into energy storage and vibration reduction. Let's see what KULR's been cooking to try and understand why some investors and their funds stick by this buzzing battery. At the heart of KULR's appeal is its One Design Solutions K1DS portfolio, which focuses on battery safety, efficiency, and thermal management, mainly in the form of KULR One Space, KULR One Guardian, and KULR One Max, which cater to space exploration, military applications, and grid energy storage. KULR's technology also addresses challenges in vibration reduction, offering solutions through the KULR Vibe suite for industries like transportation and renewable energy. Its proprietary passive propagation resistant (PPR) and thermal runaway shield (TRS) technologies prevent safety risks like thermal runaway in lithium-ion batteries, essential for electric vehicles, aerospace, and energy storage. KULR is also integrating AI through KULR One AI, K1 AI, to optimize battery design and reduce time to market. Another advantage it has is AS9100 certification for its Webster, Texas headquarters, especially useful for growth in aerospace and defense, as well as space applications with NASA, giving it an extra mark of credibility and quality. One of the key contracts it secured involves developing a specialized phase change material, PCM heatsink, for a missile program. This PCM heatsink will manage extreme thermal loads, ensuring missile electronics remain within safe operating temperatures during maneuvers. Additionally, KULR has been awarded a U.S. Navy contract to enhance its internal short circuit (ISC) technology for higher temperature activation. This technology, crucial for military and commercial applications, will improve battery safety, particularly in aviation, by simulating extreme conditions to meet FAA and ASA safety standards. The enhanced ISC devices will provide valuable insights into battery behavior, improving aviation and military safety by offering a more accurate evaluation of battery resilience under high-stress scenarios. KULR is also working with the U.S. Army to evaluate its KULR Vibe system for vibration reduction on the AH-64E Apache and UH-60 Blackhawk helicopters, with the goal of improving helicopter performance, reducing maintenance costs, and enhancing reliability. In the ongoing nuclear energy renaissance, KULR thermal management is being applied to small modular nuclear reactors, SMRs. By adapting its PCM heatsink technology developed for missile systems, similar management of extreme thermal loads is helping reactors remain stable at optimal temperatures by absorbing and dissipating heat, leading to KULR signing a multi-million-dollar licensing agreement to deploy its carbon fiber cathode technology in nuclear reactors in Japan, opening up new opportunities in supporting the development of SMRs and even laser-based fusion systems. In the 21st century space race, KULR's NASA-certified M35A battery cells are already available, having been qualified for use in JSC 2793 compliant battery packs. These 18650 cells have undergone rigorous testing to meet NASA's stringent requirements, including additional screening under WI-37, ensuring their suitability for harsh conditions. The cells, which offer traceability with detailed data for each lot and serial number, are integral to NASA's Artemis II mission and known for exceptional cold weather performance with an energy density of 214 watt-hours per kilogram at -20 degrees Celsius. In collaboration with NASA, KULR is expanding its so-called Strategic Battery Reserve, offering faster procurement and broader access to qualified technologies for aerospace and defense customers. KULR also plans to launch its KULR One Space, K1S battery on a SpaceX rideshare mission in 2026, in collaboration with ExoLaunch. The mission will test K1S battery configurations, showcasing performance in orbital environments and validating flight capabilities. The K1S will feature advanced 18650 cells from manufacturers like LG, Samsung, and Molicel, including the M35A cells selected by NASA. The mission will also demonstrate KULR's Battery Management System, BMS, designed for NASA's safety standards. To cool the red-hot AI space, KULR and EDOM Technology, a leading NVIDIA channel partner, teamed up to distribute and integrate its energy management solutions in Taiwan. This collaboration will focus on delivering KULR's KULR Zero Vibe, KXV, and KULR One product lines to meet the growing demand for large-scale cooling systems in the AI ecosystem, particularly in server and edge computing devices. The partnership aligns with KULR's broader strategy to support the AI industry's rapid expansion, driven by initiatives like the Stargate project's $500 billion investment in U.S. AI infrastructure. KULR's products will help address critical needs for energy management, thermal control, and vibration mitigation within AI systems. Other AI advancement has led to KULR securing a licensing agreement for KXV technology in data center cooling and HVAC systems, launching KXV integrated with NVIDIA Jetson for edge AI applications. For more consumer-oriented cooling, KULR and Worksport are buddying up to better batteries and strengthen domestic manufacturing, focusing on three main areas: joint battery pack development, thermal runaway protection, and AI-integrated battery management system, BMS software. The two companies will work together on optimizing Worksport's COR battery pack system by improving BMS requirements, refining cell configurations, and enhancing system performance and safety. AI-driven software will enable real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. The partnership also involves evaluating the performance and scalability of integrated battery solutions using KULR's K1DS platform. As for financial innovation, KULR was among the earlier wave of companies adopting cryptocurrency treasury strategies, resulting in it allocating up to 90% of surplus cash reserves to Bitcoin, reaching Bitcoin holdings of 668.3 BTC, investing a total of approximately $60 million. To take its Bitcoin strategy a step further, KULR partnered with Soluna Holdings for a 3.3 megawatt Bitcoin mining hosting operation at Soluna's Project Sophie facility in Kentucky, helping KULR manage and grow its Bitcoin mining operations. Cool stuff indeed. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.